English writing explained. Basic English sentences. Subject plus verb plus object. Sanela hits the ball. Subject plus verb. He is sleeping. Subject plus verb plus adjective. It smells good. Subject plus verb plus adverb. Amina laughs loudly. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel English with Naya and see you next time. Bye bye.